Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 249. NASDAQ is off 78. S&Ps are off 29. Gold contract up $4.80, trading at $1,216 an ounce. Silver up 16 cents at $17.22 an ounce. Platinum down $16 at $1,283 an ounce. Copper up 3 pennies at $3.02 a pound. Light sweet crude off 50 cents, trading at $90.95 a barrel. Bonds, the ever-ready bond market, folks, is amazing. 10-year up 27 ticks at 125.15. Huge conviction. 30-year up 122 at 139.19. Also huge conviction. Wide price spread, accelerated volume, all of the above. Bond market, folks, has action to the upside in a dramatic way. No two ways about it. King Dollar. Let's go take a look at King Dollar out here. We have a King Dollar as this. King Dollar is trading at 86.08. And if we go take a look at King Dollar, what you have, number one, she's extended up here, and we'll see whether she's going to take a little break. What King Dollar has done, huge run. The run that we're talking about started 3 months ago. That run was down at the price point of 79. We're at 86.08 right now. Big numbers. No two ways about that. You have the euro down 24 at 126. The pound is off 38 at 161, and the yen is up down 44 at 109.20. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get some price destruction? No doubt. This is what we're talking about here. Cash S&P down 24 bucks. We are at 1947 right now. This is making its way down to this price. The last swing low out here was 1904. Get this for a second, get this out of the way for you. Sorry about that. We will get these charts correct for you right now. There we go. There's one. There's two. And bingo. There we go. Okay, so cash S&P right now is trading at 1947. And if we go over the SPY and wanted to take a look at the correlation inside the SPY, monster volume on the way down. Right now we're at 128 million. We are back, number one, where we were on June 6th. Pretty amazing. The swing low. Okay, so these are the swing lows we're going after, folks, okay? The first one you're going after is the swing low that was established on August 7th, rather. August 7th is 190.55. You're coming into that baby, and you're coming into it with some heavy juice. And, of course, it's only Wednesday, so I expect you're going to see some more destruction. The NASDAQ, the composite is the weakest index out here today, down 82 bucks. We are in the lower range in the composite. The composite, all the composite had to do is get back inside 44.85. You're in it. You're in it with a vengeance, by the way. She's going to come back down to this 43.25 area. You do have the expansion of volume. We look at the NDX 100. So inside the NDX 100, that is also coming down with juice. 44 million shares thus far. NDX, which is pretty amazing. You know, we went sideways for almost 2 months. NDX right now is trading out where it was trading on the 23rd of July. Small caps. Now, small caps, folks, have been the weakest indice, fallen out of bed once again. And the small caps, folks, are ready to take down the February swing low, which is going after. Right now, the May swing low, which is 107.44, we are going after it as I'm speaking right now, and it's going after it with a vengeance. I mean a vengeance. And the small caps, man, Mike from Thailand, this is pretty cool, you know, and some of the Tigers in the Den picked this up coming into the close yesterday. Into the close yesterday, folks, someone was unloading huge amounts of IWM. But what they were also doing, and it was really subtle, they unloaded a huge amount of volume in the marketplace, period. The volume exploded in the last 10 minutes, and they got out, and they got out. They were smart. When I say smart, not as you can't tell who or what they are, but as what they threw at the marketplace, it was very subtle. It didn't get reported to actually after the closes out here. If we do look at the IWM, and I put this on a weekly or a monthly basis, what you're going to see is this. You're going to remember something, that the February 5th, the week of February 5th, that is the swing low benchmark for all the indices. Well, when we take a look at the IWM, that swing low is 107.27. The way that the IWM is trading right now, it wants to blow that away. You blow that away, and let me tell you something, get out of the way. Because what you have with the IWM, the next move down to the IWM would be 91, and you're at 107 right now. So it's a big number. That's the real bottom line. Gold contract. Let's go take a look at gold. What we have with gold is this. Gold tested its low of Thursday, yesterday, and did it with lighter volume, but still quite a bit of volume. Today, we have volume contracted by 25%. Rejected lower price. It needs a sign of strength. No two ways about that. It needs a sign of strength, but the bottom line, it did reject lower price. Silver, different ball game. Now, silver is going to need huge amount of strength to break back inside where it broke down from. Silver's got a long, excuse me, folks, got a long way to go. What silver does have, though, is high volatility. Silver came down hard from this 1850 area. It's 1717. Silver has a lot more work to do than gold. Bonds. We talked about bonds. These bonds are a trip. Okay, so bonds. The 10-year has done 1.7 million contracts out here today. Huge. Wide price spread, accelerated volume. You swing high, it's going after is the 126. I suspect we're going to go a lot further than that. The 30-year, this is the second time in the last week and a half that that you're up over a point. We're almost, well, we're up 1.5 points. And that takes a lot of buying, folks, to be up 1.5 points. You're up with 467,000 contracts. If we put this on a continuous future contract, what we have inside the 30-year right now is we are making the run for, we're at 139, you're making the run for 149. And we'll see how it basically operates when it gets up to those levels. Big numbers out here. So, inside the Dow Industrials, you want to see something that's pretty wild? It's not the Dow, it's the NASDAQ, actually. But I'm going to show you. So, inside the Dow, out of 30 stocks, you have one that is up. That's Coca-Cola. A few minutes ago, there was nothing up. Coca-Cola's up 7 cents. This one, though, is insane. Inside the Index 100, folks, okay, you have 2 stocks that are up out of 100. Autodesk is up 58 cents, and Alexa Pharmaceutical is up 33 cents. That's it. Every other stock is down. Vertex Pharmaceutical is down 6.85. Vipul is off 30 cents. You got Seagate Technologies down 2.30. NXPI is off 2.55. Well, in the great world of Apple, okay, Apple, once again, it's going south. Not a huge amount of volume yet. Apple only has 40 million shares. Apple, on a weekly basis, we know what the number is. The number is 100.72. It has managed to stay over that number 6 weeks in a row. That number is crucial. Why, folks? Because that is the high swing going all the way back to the first high in Apple, which was established in the September of 2012. You close under that number, and guess what? It's not curtains, but it might as well be curtains. You know, the last time that Apple went down like 45% nonstop. I mean, it's pretty amazing, actually, when you think about it. And so what we do have here with Apple is that we'll see whether it closes under that 100.72 area. Dow stocks, big numbers. 3M is down 265. You had Johnson & Johnson off 245. United Technologies off 175. You get selling, folks, all sectors right across the board. Dow Industrials right now down 244. Nasdaq is off 79. S&Ps are off 28. You stay right there, folks. Come right back.